Facial masks are long known as good treatment for skin cleansing and promoting complexion renewal. Peel-off mask is one of the most common masks. It can be eliminated in one piece when it dries up. These masks completely remove dead cells on the upper skin layer, exposing renewed wholesome complexion and clearing blocked pores. They also can help to absorb and remove excessive skin oil, called sebum, making skin more healthy and beautiful. There are gel-based, latex and wax masks. All of them cleanse deeply, exfoliate and often contain essential oils. They suit every skin type and can be used on every body part, e.g. face, neck, forehead, chest, back, shoulders. Peel-off mask in action. Homemade and commercial facial masks are of the same efficiency. You should put the mask on while it's liquid, wait for it to dry and peel it off afterwards. They work by tying dead epithelium cells, dirt and oil together and removing everything bond to mask when it dries. Peel-off masks have the capability to unblock the pores. They attract accumulated sebum strongly. You should put wet towel on your face for 15 minutes before the mask to enhance this effect. To sum up, it exposes renewed glowing complexion. These masks can help to get rid of blackheads and superfluous sebum from the pores. Peel-off masks tighten pores and impede blackheads as well. Application instructions. You should apply the mask weekly to eliminate blackheads. Wet your face in advance and put the mask on your skin, skipping areas around the eyes. Follow directions from the package.